going to recoat this and bind the part back right here. We're just going to glue, and I'm going to be using Gorilla Glue to overlay this area in a thick paste and to fix this part like this. This like this. So I just broken a piece of his fan bracket. I didn't do the polars as of yet, which is inside here alongside the exterior of the walls is hollow, and to put magnetic terminals here, coils here for two horns to emit at the rotary, a permanent magnet rotary within the central. And I'm going to change these for permanent magnets. I just left the rubber on it, so when I melt it around, I'm going to melt the permanent magnet onto it, actually fix it onto the thermal melt of this wheel, and that would synchronize the inductor. The inductor would also transmit the electrical energy to the motor-powered permanent magnet blade. There is also going to be a shaft right here, for, like I had before with the inductor fan, to cool it, the area that's going to be submerged within the covering of all this, the coating of all this, so you don't see the rotary or any of that into the PANS armor of the system. Then I'll go back to fix the interior of the cockpit. But this is for UVA and lenses law propulsion, where I'm going to be using permanent magnet to actually get the coil to escape from the permanent magnet and from the diamagnetic, so diamagnetic self-repulsive. This right here is a copper sheet. I'm going to be cutting this to around the edges for the cathode and anode, input and output. I have an aluminum sheet that I'm also going to have along as a stage, as a stage stack. So copper is going to be the last sheet, aluminum is going to be the following sheet that overlays this, and the copper is last to assist in the stepping upward. Now the permanent magnet is going to be localized behind it, so it can allow the energy to upward or in a linear forward this way. So it's just the way I configure the permanent magnets, like on top of the rim, to allow it to move upward, down, away from the actual permanent magnet field, or to move the magnet upward, and because of the density of the magnet, to be pulled by the yanking force of the density of the magnet. So again, my name is Ringwire. I'll be back, and